Good morning and Happy New Year from our team here at SIACharts. We want to wish everyone the best during 2021 and beyond. We've had a lot of advisors asking us recently about how best to build and analyze a commodity watch list. So today, for our first video of the year, that is what we're going to do. When analyzing commodities, let's first build a custom commodity futures report. To do that, we have to come over here to our Markets tab, and under the Markets tab, we will see Futures. And when we pull up the future screen, which I'm already on, we can drop down metal futures, for example, and you can see the symbol code here for the specific contract that you would like to add to your report. Another way to search for symbols is to use the orange search box at the top. If we were to type in cattle, for example, we could see the first three results correspond to the contracts available. Moving over to the portfolio section, I've pre-populated a report including 22 of these commodity futures contracts to save us time. When we run this list with a 6 to 18 month outlook, we could see that energy and crude oil tops the list, and copper from the metals sector comes in third behind soybeans. Using this information, let's build another custom report pulling all the commodity ETFs from Canada and the US together in a report and pit them against each other. By hitting the Create New button here, I will give this the title of Commodity ETFs North America. You can call it whatever you like. We can search for any and all commodity ETFs by using the Add by Report feature. Once on the screen, if we begin to type in commodity, we will see all the commodity ETF reports available, which populate for both Canada and the US. By checkmarking them all, we can decide if we want to include the green, yellow, or red zone, or all three, which we are going to use for this example. Before clicking add, I'm going to also add some energy ETF reports here to our custom build. Typing in energy, I will check mark a few of these reports and now click add, and this will build our custom universe. As we run the matrix, keep in mind that when we looked at the futures contracts a second ago, crude and energy was number 1 and copper was number 3. So let's use that info when evaluating which ETFs we may want to focus on. The number 1 spot here belongs to the Global X Lithium ETF currently. There is not currently a futures contract for lithium, even though there have been talks to add one, and a committee was formed last year by the London Metals Exchange. Most of today's plug-in hybrid and electric vehicles use lithium-ion batteries. Those stocks have been hot last year, and it is a key component to lightweight rechargeable power for laptops, phones, and other digital devices. Rare metals and a copper miners ETF take up the 2nd and 4th spots, respectively, which makes sense as copper was ranked 3rd in our futures matrix. Also, looking at spots 3 and 5, we could see that clean energy is the theme here. When using the search box for oil-specific ETFs, we see that only 3 positions are in the green favored zone. Positions 17, 19, and 24 are held by oil service and equipment ETFs. And not until spot 58 and 59 do we see the Horizons Crude Oil and Brent Oil Fund ETFs. So building custom stock reports is just one of the exciting tools we have here at SIACharts from our database of over 580 reports, such as the S&P 500 and TSX Composite Index that are ranked each night using our proprietary relative strength technology. If you are a portfolio manager or registered financial advisor, come give our technology a try during a free 21-day trial so we can show you how our platform can enhance your practice and research process. And until next week, take care and always strive to manage your risk in the markets effectively.